Hey guys, welcome back to Bright Night Tech. My name is Berto and today we're looking at the Xvive Lavalier Level 1 microphone. We're going to start with an unboxing and then take a look at what it can do. So let's get started. Alright, here is the tiny box, which I'm really not going to be able to unbox a whole lot because it's literally just a mic, but let's take a look at it. It gives you some information in the back there. Pretty simple box. Let's go ahead and open this up. Like so. Alright. And let's see. We first have this little baggie right here, which looks like the little windshield that you would put on it. Right here. Which is made out of foam. Goes over your mic. And a little tiny dead cat. That's what it's called. I'm not just calling it a dead cat. So if you're outside, you probably want to use that one. Let's see. And here is the mic. Let's look at this cool little bag. So this is a little pouch that you can put your microphone in and pack it with your gear, which is definitely what I'm going to be doing with mine. Okay, let's look at the mic. So it's pretty simple. I mean, if you've seen any lav mic, they all pretty much look the same, but here we are. Alright, you have your regular audio port right there, or not port, but you have your regular audio connector right there, which you can put an adapter if you need to. And here is the mic. It's super tiny. That is pretty standard on these lav mics, and it's so tiny it's hard to focus on it, but it looks really good. Here is the clip. There's a certain way to wrap this around, but it's super simple. Anyway, yeah, so really what we're going to do is do some tests, because you looking at this mic isn't going to tell you much. So let's go ahead and do some tests. But before we do that, let's see what else we have here. Alright, we have the instructions, like that. Okay, perfect. Some information there if you want to pause it. And this can be used with their own external recorder. So if you want to do that, it also has a wireless thing. If you want to look up that product, absolutely do so, because this is meant to work with that. But otherwise, I'll show you the other way to get this to work. Okay, so let's go ahead and do some audio tests. Okay, so I clipped on the lav mic. As you can see, it's super simple. If you don't know how, there's instructions on there, but it's a really simple clip. I got it right here. The instructions say to have it about 10 inches away from your mouth. This is a little less than that, but I think it should be fine. I'm speaking at a very normal volume, not my normal high energy loudness that I usually do, so you guys can kind of see the great quality sound that it gets just from this distance. Very easy to set up. I plugged it straight into my Canon N50. Super easy. You don't really have to do anything. I checked on there, make sure the levels were good. And you're getting the raw sound right now, so I haven't cleaned this up so you guys can hear what it actually sounds like. So you guys can tell me what you think. I really like it. They do compare themselves directly to Rode, the Rode mic lav, but if you are looking to save some money and want a really good equivalent, this is definitely the route to go. So definitely check it out. Let me know what you guys think. I love it. The price is great, and yeah. Alright, so where can you get this and how much is it? You can pick this up on Amazon right now for $49.99, which is a great price. It's way below what some other lav mics might cost, so you definitely want to check it out. If you can find their wireless system, which you can just Google it or go on Amazon, absolutely get it. Like I said, it is meant to work with this particular mic. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, go ahead and put in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button for notifications, and we will see you next time.